Today we're here to talk about the DiscountRamps.com Dolly collection. We've got two different models available. We've got the Pit Viper that you see here, which is a shorter model. And then we've got our model that's 16 inches longer for a total of 99 inches called the CRUISER-DOLLY. Both of these units are identical outside of the length. And you can see this sticking out of the side here. This is for your kickstand, and it's available in 3 different positions. You can see on this one here, we've got all the way to the left here, and we can put it in the center position and all the way to the right. The Pit Viper only has 2 positions available. So depending on the length of your bike and where your kickstand is located, adjust that accordingly. As you can see on both units, we've got 5 casters all the way around. Right now, they're in the loading position. So you see this handle is down. It actually lifts our casters off the ground. It allows us to put the motorcycles on. So first we'll load up the Pit Viper. You always want to put your kickstand up when you're loading these. The CRUISER-DOLLY, we're just going to put it in position. Come down here, get your kickstand down. Now we can kind of adjust the position. Lift up our ramps, and that's going to put the dolly down on its casters. You can see now we're on the stand. We can move it sideways 360 degrees in any direction that we prefer. Really nice for dealerships. You got a lot of bikes on your floor moving around. You got several bikes in your garage. Really nice way to kind of put them away for storage for the season, put them in the corner. Now we're going to load up the CRUISER-DOLLY. Because we've got a little heavier motorcycle here, I'm actually going to sit on it, push it up. It's going to make it a little easier as opposed to sitting across the side. Put your kickstand up. And that's where our kickstand sits. So on this one, we're going to probably go forward as far as we can because we've got it in the rearmost position. Lift up our ramps to take the casters and put them back on the floor. We also offer, it also includes 2 pins to put in the end so your tires can't, the bike can't roll off of it. Always suggest having it in gear when you have it on the dolly. Now from here we can take the 2 machines and position them any way we like, push it sideways around, makes it really nice for compact storage. You can kind of put kickstands together like this and push them back into a corner. So it's very convenient if you've got several motorcycles in a small garage. Something that we use a lot at the shop here. And again, this is the Pit Viper, part number MC Dolly, and the CRUISER-DOLLY, part number Cruiser-Dolly.